A little baby duck. There. Oh, the ducks. Oh, look at the baby geese. Lots of geese. Yep. It's like being at Santa's Village without the fences, huh? Look at the geese. Look at, see the baby geese? Or the teenage geese? Mira. You see the little girl? You see?
Gotta get one of those GoPros.
Oh, yes, I really want one. Then I don't have to do this. Hello. Hello. Have a good day. Oh, there's space underneath this. What do you see? Oh, the baby duck's over there, huh? See, don't get close to it. Yeah. There's ducks. Oh, they're babies. Watch out for the fishermen. Oh, look at there. I don't even see the line. Oh, there it is. Yeah, sometimes they're invisible. Huh? What? This is where the swallows are. You see the nests underneath the bridge? And this is where we were sitting right here. Huh? Village Squire. Yeah, I remember. I bet it was. Try going underneath where all those nests are. See all the nests? I want to go over and go underneath that one. I went by myself one time, years ago, down to the park and back to my house. It was very hard. Mita, look at. Yeah. Here, keep pedaling if you want to go underneath that one. Long time. I almost gave up. Okay, the river's gonna take us. See, there's the nests. Yeah. See? There's also nests under here too. A lot of cobwebs though.
Not this side.
No, not on this side. Only the side of the sun.